Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now I think in the past I've done two videos on sandwiches so far. The first was a fried chicken sandwich and the second is a croque monsieur. So if you'd like to see any of those videos, I will put a link to those at the very end of this video so you can go and take a look. So today I'm doing a tuna melt, which is probably one of the most famous American sandwiches out there, I think anyway. If it isn't, please let me know what is. It's super simple to make, it is super quick to make, and it is super tasty. Okay, so we'll start with the tuna. I have one tin, 145 gram tin of tuna. This one happens to be been in vegetable oil, but you can do it with the spring water or the brine or whatever it is used. I'll just say that the quantities I'm making here are for two sandwiches, i.e. 4 slices of bread. But just for the sake of the video, I'll just do 2 slices. To the tuna, I will add 1 heaped tablespoon of finely chopped celery, 1 chopped up spring onion. Well, first of all, just mix these up to break up the tuna, like so. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, get all that in there. The juice of half a lemon, freshly squeezed lemon, just salt, and finally plenty of crushed black pepper. It's just a case of mixing everything up. So I'm going to take 2 slices of bread that I've sliced myself that are like doorsteps. They'll be good for the video. I'm going to add the filling we've just made. And then on top of that I'm going to add grated cheddar. There's 100 grams of grated cheddar in this, but obviously this is for 2 sandwiches, so about 50 grams for each sandwich. Then place the other slice on top, give it a slight squeeze, and finally butter the top of this sandwich. And now we are ready to cook it. Right, with the heat on low, we don't want it to be high heat. I'm just going to put a scant amount of oil in the pan. This may not be necessary because we do have the butter on the bread, but just to make sure, I'm going to put a very small amount of oil in. Okay, with the pan heating up, I'll put the sandwich in the pan with the buttered side down, and we're going to cook that on low for about 4 to 5 minutes. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put this lid over the top just to try and keep some of the heat in, so make sure all that cheese melts. After all, that is the name of the sandwich, tuna melt. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'll switch it over, but before I do that, I need to butter the other side of the bread and try and turn it over without everything falling out. Lovely. Again, I will just put that lid over the sandwich to keep the heat in and cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's been another 4 or 5 minutes and I'm sure that is perfectly well done. Now if you take it out, you cut it open and the ingredients inside aren't fully melted, you could always put it in a microwave to finish it off. Okay, so here we have the big reveal. Slice it in 2. Oops. we go. 1 tuna melt. Okay, I'm going to dig into this. This looks, I don't know if you can see it, it looks fantastic. Excuse me. Hot. You have to give this a try. It's a perfect sandwich for a lunchtime. It's got that, obviously the crustiness of the bread on the outside, but there's obviously the soft cheese with the mayonnaise, but there's a crunchiness inside as well with the celery. Now, I hate celery, raw celery, but you can't taste it in this. It's gorgeous. It adds a lot of texture to the inside, which it needs texture. Oh, this is simple, quick, and extremely, extremely tasty. Give it a go. Let me know in the comments below how you get on. And I will see you in the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you can do that, it would be mega. And I will see you shortly. Ooh, dropping it.